Jog, jog, jog. Jog, jog, jog. Jump, jump. Yes. Relax. Go drink a glass of water and come back. Start. Okay, answer for your attendance, children. Sai Shivanya. Santosh. Pranav. Arya. Yes, Arya Barnidharan.
Arya Barnidharan is here.
Here I am.
Here I am, ma'am. I'm Miss Ravi.
Sai Priyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am, ma'am.
Here I am. Yes, you people are forgetting what to answer for your attendance, right? Here I am. No. Manasa.
Here I am, ma'am.
Jacinta.
Here I am, ma'am.
Prisha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Seshant.
I'm here, ma'am.
Hiteshri.
I am, ma'am.
Nidulan.
Here I am.
Rutvik.
I am.
Very good. Super. So what is today's day? What day is today, children? What day? Arya, what day is today?
27.
Date is 27. What day?
Day.
Days 2000.
No,
Monday,
da, we have
Tuesday,
7
Wednesday.
days in a week. No. We are in which day today?
It's not Friday yet. What is before Friday?
Before Friday. Saturday.
That is after
Thursday.
Before Friday. Tuesday.
Thursday. I'm sorry.
Thursday. All right. So Thursday. Today is Thursday. Nidulan, what day will be tomorrow?
Friday.
Friday. Very good. Pranav, what day was yesterday? Pranav, what day was yesterday?
Birthday.
Wednesday. Achicho. Yes, yesterday was Wednesday. Jacinta, what is the date today? Date?
29.
Very good. Hitrashri, what is the current month? What month is this?
చెప్పు
Month.
7 డే కాదు 7th మంత్ అంటే
7th month. Very good. Very good. Yes, you got confused with the day and month. No problem. 7 is fine. 7th month, that is July month. Right? Prisha, what is the current year?
2021.
Very good. Manasa, how many days are there in a week?
7.
Very good. Shishan, how many months are there in a year?
12.
Sound சொல்லு.
Months.
12 months. சொல்லு sound சொல்லு.
12 months.
Very good. Rutvik, what day is today, dear?
Yes.
టుడే వాట్ డే సే టుడే వాట్ డే థర్స్డే
Thursday, dear.
Tuesday.
Thursday. Okay, all
Thursday.
right. So we'll start. Okay, so let's start with English. So we have completed small letters from A to F. No, let's do recap of that. Shall we all start writing those letters in your rough note for one time? Come on, take your rough note or slates. Write from small letters A to F. A to F one time. Write it on your own, children. Write it on your own. I want to check. So turn your camera accordingly. I'll check whether you can write it or not. Small letter A, small letter B, small letter C, small letter D, small letter E, and small letter F. Very good, Nidulan. Super. Very good, dear. Prisha, what happened? Where are you, dear? Super, Nidulan. Very good. Small letter A. How to write small letter A is? Rutvik, try writing this, baby. Try writing these letters.
Ma'am, Prisha is not writing, ma'am. Ask her.
Why? What happened, Prisha? See, all our friends are writing and showing it to me. You are going to be the winner. If you don't write, no, you will be the loser then. Do you want to be?
You want to win, right? The race. Yeah, then do it.
Come on, then complete and show it to me. Very good, Manasa. See, Manasa done, Nidulan done. You to join there. We'll be giving you a bigger heart of mine. Cyprian, are you writing?
Completed.
Very good, Sishant. 1 minute. Yes. Cyprian, keep your camera on there so that I'll see. Small letter A.
ஒன் போடுங்க இப்படி ஒரு கவ் போடுங்க ம் ம் சி போடுங்க. ஒரு நீட்டா எழுதுறியா பாரா.
So write neatly within the lines, children. Everybody.
1 போட்டு டி
I'll
போடு.
again show you how to write that within the 4 lines. It's complete in and have a look at here.
இங்க அங்க 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 போடக்கூடாது. இங்க ஈ போடு. 1 போடு.
So be on mute, everybody.
ஸ்லீப்பிங்
Yes.
லைன். ஸ்லீப்பிங் லைன்.
Cyprian,
லைன்
please
லாஸ்ட்.
be on mute, Cyprian.
மேம் கேக்குறாங்க.
Yes. Continue writing. Small letter A will come in between the second and third line. That is how one right curve and one minute. One right curve, one standing line that should touch both the ends of the curve. So, small letter A. For small letter B, one standing line, one completed. You can check whether the letters that you have written and mine are same or not. Okay. Small letter B. For small letter B, we will use left curve. Right. For C, nothing but the smaller size of C will come in between the second and third line only. Right curve or C pattern. Small letter C. For small letter D, again, like how we wrote for D, put one lengthy standing line from first to third line. Then a curve that will come this side. That is a right curve.
Amma.
C pattern. Okay. Our small letter C. I mean small letter D. Very good, Arya. Very good. Okay. Yes. For small letter E, one sleeping line. From the point where you stop that sleeping line, put one right curve. So small letter E will also come in between the second and third line only.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Very good, Hiteshri. So check whether mine and yours are same or not. Okay. And the last letter that we have completed was F. F will start from the first line. One small down curve, continuously one standing line, and one sleeping line that will come over the second line in order to cut the standing line. Your small letter F. Right? Small letter A, small letter B, small letter D, small letter E, and small letter F. So have you all completed? Can you all show your... yes, very good, Hiteshri. Aryas, I have checked already. Cyprian, have you completed? Very good, Nidulan. Very good, Manasa. Very good, Jacinta. Very good, Hiteshri. I have checked yours. Prisha, have you completed, dear? What happened to Prisha suddenly?
But why are you not writing? She's asking, right? Tell, why are you not writing?
So complete this. We will learn a new concept of a family. Okay. Just complete this soon. Ma'am will be playing a video.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
My good girl. Very good, Pranav. Very good, Sai Priyan. Sai Shivani, have you completed, dear?
She's writing, ma'am.
Okay, right.
She's not just getting control over the 4 lines. So
Okay.
we're putting dots and she's writing.
Making her to write. Okay, no
Yeah.
problem. Right. Good children. So in the home, please, very good session. Super, dear. You're so ahead of us. Right? Very good. So in the leisure time, do practice in writing the 4 lines, children. Okay, then only you'll get that soon. Hiteshri is showing some storybook to me. Is it, Hiteshri? You are in mute. Unmute and talk.
Mermaid.
Mermaid.
What it is? The fish only.
Okay. So hope you all have completed it. No. Then we have two. Yes, yes. Thank you, Hiteshi. Then we have two worksheet to complete today. That is, we are going to learn two numbers in numeracy. Two numbers. So what was the last number we have completed? Can anybody tell me? Jacinta will tell. What was the last number? What was the number that we have completed yesterday?
16.
16. In a jar full of candy. We have completed that, no? Today we are going to learn the next two numbers. What comes after 16? Dan? Very good, Prisha. Very good.
Ma'am.
Mom.
What comes after 16? Shall we all start? 1 minute, 1 minute. Well, let's all count it and find what comes after 16. Okay. Shall we all start road counting from 11? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have completed. Next is 16. 17 and 18. We're going to learn the next two numbers, that is 17 and 18. First is 17.
Ma'am, Ruthik is not writing, ma'am.
Rutvik, you good with? Yes.
Mom.
Yes, Jacinta. 1 minute, Rutvik.
Can I water?
Yes, you can drink water, Jacinta. Rutvik, come on. Join with us, Rutvik.
He know how to write, but he said no.
Oh, why? I think he's not in the mood to write for now.
Yes,
No.
yes, he's.
No problem. Observe the class. You can complete that after the class over. Picture it and share it to us. Okay. Very good, Sai Shivanya. Super, Sai Shivanya. Okay. Next number, what ma'am said after 16? 17. Right? How will you write number 17? We'll write number 17 by writing 1 and 7 together. How will you write number 17? 1. For 1, 1 standing line. For 7, 1 sleeping line and 1 left slanting line. Number 17. 17. Now we'll write this 17 in our worksheet. Okay? 1 minute. I'll share that worksheet. Day 16, empty worksheet. Have you all taken? So before writing, let's count how many beads have given. Those things that is there in the picture, no, they all are beads. Beads. First, let's count how many beads are here in this rope. This chain rope. Okay. I hope there will be 10 because group of 10. Shall we all count? Who will count and let me know this number today? Is Pranav. Pranav, count and let me know how many beads are there in this rope alone. Pranav?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. So again, group of 10 beads are there here. Right? Again, group of 10 beads are there here in this circle rope. Okay? So next, how many individuals are here? After 10, children, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. 17. Here we have 7 beads extra. 7 extra. Okay. Adding 7 beads to a group of 10, you will get 17. 1, 7. 17. Okay? So now we'll start writing here. Start writing, children. Number 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 1, 7, 17. You please write it over the dotted lines properly. Okay, write it neatly, children. So you post it. I will check whether you are writing it neatly or not. If not, I will ask you people to write it again. 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. Yay! I have completed it. Have you all? Completed soon, dears. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17.
Completed, ma'am.
Very good session. So what you have to do? You have to fill your date and name in the space given under the number 17. Name and the date. What is today's date? 29. 29 dot 7 dot 2021. 29.7.2021. Very good, Pranav. I have completed. Super, Pranav. Fill the date. Fill the date. Yes, Manasa. Very good. Very good. Super. Fill the date. Yes, very good, Nidulan. Superb. Hitayshri, very good. Jacinta, very good. What ma'am had said, if completed, you have to show and tell that, ma'am, I am done or I have completed. No, have that habit, children. Okay? Arya, are you writing, baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write it soon and show it to me. Okay? Very good, Prisha. Nice. Very good, Prisha.
Say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Cyprian, done. Very good, Cyprian. Super. So fill the date. Those who have completed, please fill your name and date. Very good, Sai Shivanya. Arya, have you completed, Arya?
Yeah.
Yeah? Super. Then all have completed. Now do post the pictures of it, children. Okay. So we are going to complete number 18 also. Before doing it, we'll do the we'll look at the phonics rhyme. Okay, so that you will get relaxed for your hand. Then we will go to the next worksheet. 1 minute.
Byju's app makes learning easy for my child. Every
Are
child.
you all ready? For some time, keep your notes, keep your worksheet aside. Letter A, phonic sound.
And so my arm, and so my arm, and so my arm, they're causing me alarm.
B, letter B.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
C.
We are clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets. Clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets.
Next is letter D, D.
See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da. See me play upon my drum.
E, letter E.
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this,
F, F.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold and came out.
G, letter G.
The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurgle.
H. Shall we all hop?
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down.
I, letter I.
Pinky the mouse is my pet. She's little the ink and go wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet.
J.
Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Chat, 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 chat.
K, letter K.
Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
L. Are you all ready? L.
We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 oh. We lick our lollipops.
M, letter M.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
N.
Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Making lots of noise.
O.
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time so hard.
S. Pranav.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Nidhulan. T. Letter T.
When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
U.
Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas. When it starts to rain,
V.
Try-picks fly round the village. Try-picks fly round the village. Try-picks fly round the village.
W.
I see the clouds moving. Wah, wah, wah. I see the kites flying. Wah, wah, wah. I see the trees bending. Wah, wah, wah. The wind is blowing strong.
X. Letter X.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
Y.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas.
Yeah. Z or Z.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Like this.
Okay. With the same energy, now we'll complete 18. Okay, dears? Number 18. How to write number 18 is writing number 1 and 8 together is 18. 17 we have completed. Now 18. How to write number 18? 1, 8, 18. How? Writing number 1 and 8 together is 18. Okay, let's do this in our worksheet now. I'll tell you the page number, worksheet number. One minute there. Day 17, empty worksheet. Day 17. This time, who will do this? Pranav already counted, no? Now this time Jacinta will count. How many keys are here in this bunch? In this bunch there. How many keys are here? Unmute yourself and start counting. Jacinta? Jacinta?
Count pan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, this bunch has 10 number of keys. That is, what is that we call it? Call it as group of 10 keys. Group of 10 keys. Nidhulan, you count how many are outside? Nidhulan?
outside எத்தனை இருக்கு பாரு கவுண்ட் பண்ணு
1,
Ah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So 8, right? If you add 8 more keys to the bunch of 10, that is group of 10, you will be getting 18. See, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Okay, 18. If you add 8 more to a group of 10, you will be getting 18. So now we'll start writing this 18 over here. Come on, start writing, children. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18.
18, ma'am.
Yes?
Water.
Enama, what?
Water.
Water. Drink water. No problem. Welcome. So complete this 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. I have completed. So have you all completed? 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Yes, Rutvik?
Come. Come. Sit here.
One, 8, 18. So once done, what you have to do? You have to fill the date too. Okay, date and the name too.
Ma'am.
Yes, Nidula. Yes, Seshant.
Sunila.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ah, yes, yes, yes.
Completed, ma'am.
You have completed it. Very good. Please fill the date too.
Rhymes.
Rutvik, mute yourself, Rutvik. Yes.
Ma'am, Arya is writing, but she is writing 8 as 2 circles, ma'am.
No, baby. So I will tell you how to write that. See, listen.
Ma'am, I'm sorry for that.
See, first put S. We know how to put S, right? One right curve continuously, one left curve. Yes or no? After that, don't and now fill this circle till here and again one more this one, fill this. I mean, complete that. You will get 18. First, write S, then close the circles like this. You will get your 18. Yeah, try this technique, Arya. Try in this way. Very good, Sai Shivanya. First put S, then try to close those circles. Jacinta, have you completed? S? Yes, then fill the date and name. Everybody. Rutvik, you start writing from number 1 to 5, dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Do homeworks. So have you- yes. Very good, Manasa. Super. Yes? So then all have completed it. Shall we all move to the next thing? Very good, Nidulan. Superb. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Very good, Cyprian. Superb. Very good. Prisha, Arya, Pranav, Hiteshri. Have you 4 completed?
Prisha still writing, ma'am.
Okay. Hiteshri, very good, Hiteshri. Pranav, done?
Still writing.
Right. Right. Arya? Completed?
She's still writing, ma'am. She's still learning this, so it will take some time, I think.
Okay, no problem. So we'll do one thing. Stop till where you have completed. You can complete it later. Okay, once class done, you can complete. Now we'll learn one more thing. Okay, new concept, that is my family. Yes, very good, Pranav. My family. Who all are there in your family, children? Can you list your family members? Who all are there, Manasa? In your family?
Mother,
Huh.
father,
Huh.
grandma,
Yes.
grandpa.
Yes. See, I will tell you. I will list who will be there commonly in all family. Mother, father, brother, sister, yourself, grandmother, and grandfather. Grandma or grandpa, grandmother or grandfather. You will be having 7 people in your house commonly, including you. Okay, some may have either only one sister or 2 sisters, like that. The count may differ, but the members of a family will be like this. Okay, mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, and you. We learned now lovely family rhymes. My lovely family, mother. What rhymes is that? Can you all remember? Mummy, daddy, I love you. So mummy, daddy came. After that, brother, sister, let's all play. So brother, sister. 4. And the final one, grandma and grandpa. Right? Yes or no? Grandma, grandpa, you're so sweet. 6. Including you will be 7. 1 minute. See, look at here. This is our grandmother. This is the picture of our grandmother. And who is this? Then who could be this? Grandfather. Grandmother or grandma, grandfather or grandpa. Okay. So next, this is our mother, father. Mother and father. Okay, after them we will be there. See, first will be grandmother and grandfather. After grandmother and grandfather, your mother and father will come. After mother and father, we will come. See, sister.
That one, baby.
Yes, sister.
And
Yes.
sister, but the baby.
Yes, sister, brother, baby. We all comes under mother and father. Sister, brother, and a baby. Okay, these are our family. They are all our family members. Okay, family members. So I am having another one worksheet too. Be sharing that. See. So here all our family members, no? Grandfather. Who is this, Pranav? Who is this?
Grandmother.
Grandmother. Sai Priyan, who is this?
யார் இவங்க கேக்குறாங்க?
Father.
கரெக்ட்.
Yes, very good. Super. Rutvik, who could be this? Come on.
sleeping.
Okay. So that is our mother, right? Jacinta. This is
Brother, father.
brother. Very good. Hiteshri. This one is
Sister.
sister. Very good. So that is what we are going to fill here. So this is Manasa. Who is this Manasa?
Grandfather.
Yes, grandfather or grandpa, right? Grandpa, grandfather. Next, Jacinta have answered. Sai Shivanya, who is this? Look at this picture and tell me, who is this?
சொல்லு.
That is my sister.
That is like a sister, right? Sister, right? Sister. Very good. Next. Yes, this one will be answered by Prisha. Prisha, who is this?
Say again.
Brother. Yes, our brother. Very good. Brother.
Ma'am,
Who
can
else
you
would
tell
like-
me the worksheet number?
Yes?
Worksheet number.
No worksheet. It's like the worksheet other than your syllabus, out from your syllabus.
Okay, okay.
Next is, who will be answering for my question? Arya. Arya, who is this Arya?
Grandma.
Grandma. Very good. Grandma, grandmother. Very good. Next, who could be this?
Mother.
Mother.
Mother, mom, our mom, right? So next, Jacinta, who is this?
Who is this?
Grandmother.
This one.
Oh dear, the last one.
Boy. யார் அது?
Bye.
பாய்ஸ் இல்ல யார் அது? அண்ணாவா அக்காவா யார்?
Dad. Okay, who will be-
Dad.
see dad. No, dad. Okay, so dad or father. Very good. One more dog is here. That is our pet. Okay, So okay, this one is over. Ma'am will play a video for you now. 1 minute.
Who's ready to hatch some cool
1 sec.
Click here to make it very
The very hungry caterpillar.
1 sec dear, 1 sec. I wrongly selected.
English
Yes. This one.
Family. Let me introduce my family. It's me.
It's me. That is you.
Me. He is my father.
Father.
She
And
is my
mother.
mother. Father. Father. Mother. Mother. They are my
Yes, your father and mother are your parents. Who are your parents? Father and mother of you are your parents.
parents. Parents. Parents. He is my brother.
Brother. You will be having
She is
siblings.
my sister.
Sister. Brother and sister.
Brother. Brother. Sister.
Sister.
Sister. He
So
is
above
my
your father?
grandfather.
Yes, above your father and mother, you will be having your grandfather and grandmother. So this is the 3 children. First, we will be having our grandfather and grandmother. After that, we'll be having our father and mother. After father and mother, we will be there. That is brother, sister, and you. Okay? Grandfather, grandmother. After them, father, mother. After them, brother, sister, and you. Okay? Who all are the family members will be there in our family? Grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, brother, sister, and you. Okay, dears? Shall we all together sing that My Lovely Family rhymes? Come on. Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, and care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, grandpa, you're so sweet. I'll give you hugs, I'll give you kisses when we meet. Right? In this rhyme itself, we had all our family members. Okay, dears. So tomorrow you have that activity. No, you have to dress up like your talk time activity. You have to dress up like one of your family member and talk something about them. No? Yes, we'll do that tomorrow. Thank you. So that's it for today. Prepared for tomorrow's activity. Okay, we'll see you all tomorrow. Yes, yes, yes. 1 minute.
My family and
Your family. Wow, nice. You made this picture. Super, dear. Picture it and share it to us. Okay, dear?
you will win.
Bye, Manasa. Bye, Sai Shivanya. Bye, Nindulan. Bye, Rutvik.
Hello, Rashita ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I received books, his books. How can I taught him through books?
Ma'am, yes. Make him write the letters that he knows. From A to E, he know, right?
Yes, he know.
So first make him write those